Top 7 causes of dry eyes. First cause for dry eyes is a lack of blinking. If a person rarely blinks, his eyes and protective layers get dry. Normally, any person must blink every second to refresh tired eyes and focus properly. Second cause, if a person was drinking alcohol last night, for example. Alcohol dissolves fatty eye protective layers, and the eyes are red the next morning. It causes discomfort in the eyes. Third cause, low eye movement can cause dry eyes also. Low blood flow and regeneration are very weak, with low eye activity. Eye secretion get worse. Fourth cause, if a person was using eye drops, natural eye fluids will stop the secretion and the eyes get lack of necessary components immediately. It is called replacement therapy. Fifth cause, low quality cosmetics, shampoo or soaps can cause dry eyes also. Sixth cause, eyelash extension can cause dry eyes due to some components. Seventh cause is injection of Botox around the eyes, which can paralyze eye muscles and along with them the glands that supply these moisturizing and restoring tears that are necessary for the eyes. Home remedy for dry eyes. 11 tips for effective at-home treatment. Dry eyes are discomforting and irritating condition. It occurs when your eyes do not produce enough tears to keep them adequately lubricated. Dry eyes can initiate myopia or other eye problems. I want to share with you 11 effective home remedies for dry eyes treatment at home. Best tips to cure dry eyes effectively and provide relief. First, blink regularly. Consciously blink more often, especially when using digital devices, reading or watching television, to prevent your eyes from drying out. Natural blinking is the best way to refresh your eyes. Second, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can contribute to overall body hydration, including your eyes. Third, omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate food rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts into your diet to promote healthy tear production. Fourth, don't use artificial tears. Avoid using eye drops because natural tears will stop producing. Fifth, stay mindful of screen time. Take regular breaks when using digital devices to reduce eye strain and dryness caused by prolonged screen time exposure. Humidify your environment. Use a humidifier in your living and working spaces to maintain a more comfortable level of humidity, which can prevent eye dryness. 7. Massage your temples. Gently massage your temples in a circular motion to help release natural oils and improve tear distribution. 8. Cucumber slices. Place cool cucumber slices on your closed eyelids for a soothing and hydrating effect. 9. Avoid direct airflow. Position of fans or air conditioners units away from your face to prevent air from blowing directly onto your eyes. 10. Adjust lighting. Ensure that your lighting is adequate when reading or working to reduce eye strain, which can contribute to dryness. 11. Proper eye training to recover the functionality of your eyes. With eye exercises, you will increase blood flow and all tear production functions. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. While these home remedies can provide relief from dry eyes, remember prevention is the key. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help maintain healthy and comfortable eyes, even if challenging environments. What to do if you have dry eyes? Top 3 dry eye syndrome causes. First, dry eye syndrome may be clogged tear glands. Perhaps this is a problem associated with the condition of dry eye syndrome. The second problem is the lack of blinking. If a person blinks less than 40 times per minute, this causes a lack of eye rest, insufficient secretion of tear fluid, and eye strain. The third problem of dry eyes can be excessive use of any cosmetic that blocks the production of lubricating fluid in the eyes. Top 3 dry eyes treatments naturally. Firstly, you can try to massage the lacrimal glands and massage around the eyes. The tear fluid is made up of 3 components. These are certain fats, and this is not tearing fluid when a person cries. The one that we cry is called a reflex tear, and it's slightly different in quality characteristics. Each of these components has several necessary elements for eyes. Dry eye syndrome needs to stop one way or another. Poorly functioning glands need to be activated. It is precisely this part of the face and these glands that can stop working due to some kind of cosmetics, for example. The result of a response to some kind of cosmetic can be just a dry eye, and it can manifest itself in this way. So you can do eye exercises. You have to try and see what happens. Second, you need to be overall healthy, and to be healthy is to feel great. A healthy lifestyle improves vision and eye health. The quality of vision also depends on a healthy lifestyle, and a healthy lifestyle means that you must introduce at least some simple exercises into your life and then diversify them with experience. At least some walking or running. For the brain and eyes to work well, at least some exercises needs to be done. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course, the link will be in the description below. Third, diet affects overall health and eye health. White bread, sugar, junk food and carbs in general impair vision. This is 100%. If you want to improve your vision, switch to a healthy diet, meat, vegetables, fruits, and everything will be fine. Reduce the number of sweets and replace them with fruits. How to get rid of dry eyes? 5 advanced home treatments. Dry eyes, a common condition resulting from inadequate tear production or poor tear quality, can cause discomfort, irritation, and even blurred vision. I want to share the top 5 advanced home treatments that can effectively alleviate dry eye symptoms. These methods offer relief and improved eye health. First, blink exercises. Practice soft blinking to stimulate tear production and distribute tears evenly across the eye surface. This is especially important during extended screen time. We need to initiate tear production with regular blinking. Don't let your eyes dry out. Blinking every second is important. You cannot harm with blinking. Second, eye exercises. By doing eye exercises with light eye movements, you will stimulate tear production and train eye muscles. If you want an in-depth eye training course, Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. Third, reduce screen time. Extended screen time can lead to decreased blinking, exacerbation, dry eye symptoms. Take regular breaks every 20 minutes for your eyes to rest and recover. Or, if it's your phone, 1 minute use and 1 minute rest. It will help your eyes to stay healthy. Fourth, hydrotherapy. For eyes, alternate between warm and cold water splashes onto your closed eyes to encourage blood circulation and relieve eye dryness. Just wash your face to reduce eye strain and relieve clamps. Fifth, eye massage. A gentle facial massage. This promotes tear gland function and help improve tear quality. Eyebrows massage can help to reduce strains and refresh your eyes. Summary: dry eyes can significantly impact your quality of life, but with this advanced home treatment, you have a range of options to alleviate discomfort and promote eye health. By doing regularly, you can find lasting relief from dry eyes and maintain eye health.